Boys in the hood. Just dropped somebody in the hood. I'm in Watts. I saw a sign there, a graffiti sign. It said, "What's up?" Let me give you my gang symbols. Gang signs. Not even symbols. Hey, 123, guys. $27 to go. $27 to go. And you know, this old man, look how long this old man's been driving today. Check it out. Check it out. 10 and a half hours and I'm still ready to go. You know why? Because we're almost done. I know, I got like 2 hours to go home, but guess what? $27, I meet my minimum. Hopefully in one more ride. I've done 5 trips so far. Fingers crossed, baby, fingers crossed. Alrighty, that's what it looks like. 3 minutes faster, 3 minutes slower. Sure, we'll go 3 minutes faster. I am trying to get out of the hood as fast as I can. I'm not interested in picking up anybody in Watson, Compton. I'll tell you guys that much. Look at that. Yeah, it's blowing up, but guys, yeah, it's brown people like me, Asians, guys, you don't want to pick up anybody out here. Even though I'm using destination mode, I'm gonna work my way out of here. It's blowing up for $5-6, but you know, every person you pick up here is a risk, and I don't play that. Homie, don't play that. I'm taking a look at Long Beach Airport. It is close by, and thinking if it's worth turning the destination off and checking it out, but no. And look, out here, there's cars parked the wrong way. Literally, I'm going this way. There's a car facing me this way. Then there was a lady right over here, just on the sidewalk, just passed out. You can see the bottle. And no blinking or nothing. Like she might even be dead. A street down, there's like 8 cop cars, and they got all these teenagers like handcuffed up, or young kids. And then there's cars just popping out of alleys and places. Dude, let me know if you want me to make videos out here, because I think one day I gotta make a video out here in the hood. Yeah, we're cool. I might consider like $15, which is my minimum, but I'm really trying to get out of here as fast as I can. It's a little dangerous out here, fellas. There was a homeless guy that was sweeping and cleaning up, but he was stealing one trash can and he was loading the trash in another one, but it didn't make any sense. Like, yeah, some stuff out here doesn't make any sense. And there was a sign, like graffiti, it says, "What's up?" You know, like Watts is the name of the city, but it was like, "What's up?" And I was like, man, this is kind of cool. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to take a break one of these days and make videos, because like, dude, the hood is the hood, right? It's just, it has its own beauty. Ooh, 45 minutes for $20. Man, they'll give me the money I need. Oh, I didn't even get a chance to look at it, little punk. I was considering that, because even if it's $49, 49 minutes, it's all good, because that would have gave me my minimum for the day. Damn it. Uh-oh. Yeah, how you show me $20 and then show me $5? I'm not gonna call it stupid app. Good app. Very Uber algorithm, you are the best. I am your best friend. Whatever you need, you let me know. I will hook you up. I am literally driving down Imperial. Yeah, it's Imperial Highway, I think. And I'm gonna make a turn on Long Beach Boulevard. Uh-oh. Shit. Yeah, dude. There's cops everywhere, man. This is crazy. Here comes another one. Here. The cops everywhere out here, man. Like every 2 seconds you hear a cop. People aren't even letting the cop go. That's crazy. They're blocking the cops. They're not getting out of the way. The cops are stuck in traffic. You don't normally see this out in LA, right? Oh, I wish. Okay, guys, I gotta record one of these. Yeah, cops can't get through the traffic right now. People don't want to get out of the way. I think you deserve a look at Watts in the small camera right now. Check it out. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but I tried, man. I tried. Okay, on the left is my route home. On the right is Long Beach. I'm thinking about going close to Long Beach Airport just to test it out. Because if people are parked in the airport, then there might be a nice cherry ride that I can pick outside the airport. Because remember, when drivers are at the airport and you're close, you might get the ride that's outside. Alrighty, here's the update, my friends. It is at least 2 hours to go home, 76 miles, which is the screen on the left. We're not gonna do that. Screen on the right is Long Beach Airport right here. I'm gonna go there, and then I can't use the destination mode for Uber anymore, but I'm gonna use that to slingshot out to John Wayne Airport. That's the plan. Yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Long Beach Airport. From Long Beach Airport, get a slingshot out, ride towards John Wayne, and then from John Wayne get another ride towards home, and then I'll make my money. Traffic will die down, and around hopefully 8 o'clock I can start heading home. Like, I've been getting a lot of opportunities, but just $5, $10, nothing to, you know, win an Oscar over. And now as I'm getting closer to the airport, the queue's filling up, but that's okay. I don't mind taking a break. I'll do a little meditation. Who knows, we might get lucky. This is basically what it looks like when you're using destination mode and going the wrong way. It will keep resetting itself and tell you to make a U-turn. I think I'm about to put it in timeout. Yeah, I'm so close to putting it in timeout. I also realized something. Like, there's a lot of opportunities here. If I didn't have to drive home, like if I didn't have to go all the way over there, I could have driven here. I could have gone over 150, maybe 200 today. But because I got to go home and I have to plan my strategy a little bit different. Like, this never makes any sense to me. 5 minutes slower. Like, why would I go? Why would I take something 5 minutes slower? Another option is if I just go straight to John Wayne Airport, I can be in a better position for 6 o'clock flights and skip. Yeah, see, rides are popping like $3, $4, $5, $7, $12, but it won't give me anything for 15, which is my minimum. Gives me 15, I'll take it. But here's a tip for you: destination mode is worse. It's actually worse to drive destination mode. The only way you can get lucky with destination mode is if it's really busy, like, you know, New Year's, maybe on a Sunday night in San Diego or something, right? Or there's a convention or there's an event going on and there's not enough drivers, and the supply and demand is demand is more, supply is less. Supply meaning less drivers, demand meaning more passengers. Then destination mode works. But right now, I'm about to turn it off. Alrighty, I'm pulling up to the airport. So my destination is not gonna work. As soon as I get to Long Beach and I pull into the bum lot, it's basically gonna say destination mode not allowed, and I'll have to go off. But you know, if you follow my channel, it's for new Uber drivers, it's for old Uber drivers like me, and so this information will help somebody. Like, I think if I think I have two choices. If I am not going to Long Beach Airport, I can hug the ocean and find somebody. Okay, there it is. I wanted to show you this down here. Look down here. Leave airport to receive destination trips. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna turn it back on, and it should put me in the queue. Hey, I'm not in destination mode anymore. I'm telling you, this app is a little racist. There you go. All right. So my decision was to come here and slingshot out. By the time I got here, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna upload this video, start a fresh one, and let you know how it goes. But you know, from the professional drivers, the ones that are better than me, I'm not talking about the trolls. Trolls are definitely better than me, but I'm talking about the people who are professionals, what would you do to go home? Would you have kept it in destination mode and gone along here and eventually gotten a ride that's going to go that way and shoot you out? Or would you do what I'm doing, which is waiting at Long Beach Airport and trying to get a ride out? So I'll give you an idea. You probably already know this, but for next 2 weeks, I'm living out here, right? One way to go home is like this from the backside, and another way to go home is from here to John Wayne Airport, and from John Wayne Airport I can get lucky and get a ride out that way. Okay, and I don't think I can go this way at all. That's my gut feeling. So that's what I'm looking at. These are the two options I have. Option 1 is right here. Take a ride from Long Beach. Option 2 is use destination mode and go this way. And maybe get lucky and drive rest of the way home. My goal is simple. I just need another 20 bucks, which will pay for my minimum, and then anything after that is bonus. What would you do, Mr. Professionals? Let me know, because I hope I made the right decision. Today I'm already at 228 miles, and I've made 123. That means, shit, that's not good. That's not good. Trolls are gonna have a ball with me. You drove 123 miles. I mean, you made 123. You drove 228 miles. That's not $1 per 1 mile. Shut up.